Not all masking tape is the same, and if you're using it for more than just painting your living room, you already know that. In this video, we explore the uses of adhesive masking, break down the different types of custom masking tapes, and explain how to choose the right one for your specific project. Adhesive masking is used to protect certain surfaces from coatings or surface treatments, helping ensure precise, clean results in manufacturing environments. Depending on the process, masking tape might need to withstand high temperatures, strong adhesives, or abrasive environments. For example, it's commonly used in fine line masking, powder coating, plasma spraying, electroplating, or surface protection during sandblasting. Each of these applications calls for different types of masking materials that match the intensity and specifications of the process. There are several types of custom masking tape, each suited for a specific function. General masking tape is the most widely recognized and is useful for basic labeling, bundling, or general purpose masking, though it may leave residue over time. Next is paper masking tape, or painter's tape, which is gentler and more suited for decorative work where clean removal is necessary. Third is high temperature masking tapes like foil, PVC film, polyester, or polyimide. These tapes are designed to survive extreme heat from coating processes such as powder coating and electroplating. These tapes maintain integrity under heat and pressure, making them essential in high temp environments. Lastly, abrasive resistant masking tapes are used in automotive, sandblasting, or stripping operations to protect surfaces from damage. By absorbing a significant portion of the energy from abrasive processes, anti-abrasion materials prevent the tape from being blasted away. These can be made from materials like polyurethane or vinyl that absorb impacts and shield sensitive areas like windows or detailed etchings. Finding custom masking tape for your project depends on the application's environmental demands and mechanical requirements. You'll need to consider whether the tape must handle extreme temperatures, resist abrasive forces, or simply peel off cleanly. Additional factors like surface compatibility, adhesive strength, printability, and resistance to tearing also play a role. With many suppliers and material variations available, the search can be overwhelming. That's where working with a flexible material converter becomes useful. We can guide you through the selection process, help you prototype parts, and ensure your masking tape performs as needed from design through production. If you want to learn more about working with a converter to get custom adhesive rolls or parts, you can visit our Learning Center where we have more videos and articles, or you can always reach out to us directly. Thanks for watching.